In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Potion of Swiftness in Minecraft. So the first thing you need to do is get a piece of sugarcane, put it in your crafting bench and make it into some sugar. Then take that to a brewing stand, place it up top, put your Awkard potions in. I'll leave a card in the top right corner on how to make Awkard potions. Now that's done, we have Potion of Swiftness for 3 minutes. So if we take these out, and we put some glowstone dust in, this will upgrade it to speed 2. There we go, speed 2 for 1 minute 30. Now if we put some redstone dust in, this will extend our time. There we go, speed for 8 minutes. So we've got 8 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute 30. Now if we put these all back in, and then put some gunpowder in, this will turn them into splash potions. Here we are. So as you can see, this is me running normally. Not too fast. If we use speed 2, you can see our field of view changes and we can run a lot faster. We can even walk faster. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.